Hey everybody, welcome back to Login Joins. In this video, you will learn how to invite friends on Temu app. So without further ado, let's get started by opening our application. Here, tap on U icon, scroll down, tap on credits and free gifts. Choose your gift. Choose your color. And once you're done, tap confirm. So now you need to add your address information. Write your name, your street address, your country code, and lastly your phone number. Once you finish adding your address, tap on confirm the address. As soon as you confirm your address, this will appear to a screen. Here you will see invite friends. Tap it. And below here, all the mediums to which you can send invitation will be provided. And this is how you invite friends on Temu app. That's it for today. Subscribe our channel for more videos.